I was off.
Well, you probably don't get them to seem very much, do you? Problem when you're the rider.
Yeah, see how easy he comes around?
Yeah, very good at that.
Yeah. So my dressage training. I can't stand riding a horse that's not, like, between my hand and leg properly.
Part of my adult amateur-ishness is let go around.